You've got an idea in your head, maybe a few notes in your phone or scribbled on a napkin. And the question becomes, how do I turn this into a real business without wasting time or waiting for perfect? I'm Eric Zackrison. I've built my own businesses and helped hundreds of others do the same thing through my teaching in technology management at UCSB, advising for organizations like Women's Economic Ventures and a Small Business Development Center, as well as through my own consulting practice. I know what it feels like to be stuck between a big vision and the first real step. This course is designed to help you move fast, test smart, and build something real with AI as your co-founder. We'll use tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, mostly free versions, to help you validate your idea, build your model, plan your launch, and create clear messaging. I'll show you where a paid upgrade might help, but it's never required. And let's be clear, AI doesn't replace your judgment, it supports it. This course follows a human in the loop model. AI gives you structure and speed, but you make the decisions. You're going to walk away with a validated business idea, a completed lean canvas, a launch ready go to market plan, clear benefit driven messaging, usable brand assets, and the confidence to lead your idea forward. If you ever had an idea you believed in but didn't know how to act on it, this is your moment. Let's turn your idea into action. I'll see you in the first lesson.